In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your Etsy store banner with ease. Whether you're looking to give your shop a fresh new look or simply update your current banner, I'll walk you through the process step by step. Let's dive in and get started on transforming your Etsy shop's appearance. First things first, you'll want to navigate to your shop on Etsy. Open your preferred web browser and head over to Etsy's website. If you're not already signed into your account, make sure to do that first. Once logged in, locate the Shop Manager link at the top right corner and click on it to access your shop's dashboard. When you're in the Shop Manager, you'll see an option to Edit Shop right there on the dashboard. Clicking on this will take you to your shop's main page, where you have the ability to make various changes to your shop, layout, and appearance. This is where you can start to really personalize how your shop looks to potential buyers. Now, pay attention to the top section of the page where your current banner is displayed. To begin making changes, look for a small plus sign or edit button next to your banner and go ahead and click on it. This action will open a new dialog where you'll be able to modify or replace your shop banner. One of the exciting parts of updating your Etsy shop banner is choosing the style that best represents your brand. Etsy provides a few different options here. You can go for the traditional big banner that stretches across the top, or perhaps a smaller version depending on what fits your aesthetic. To make a selection, simply click on the banner style you like. Remember, this is the first impression most visitors will have of your shop, so choose a style that reflects what your shop is about. Once you've settled on a banner style, confirm your selection by clicking Done. It's a simple click, but this locks in your choice and your new banner or banner style will be applied to your shop. Refresh your shop page to take a look at the updated banner and see how it enhances the overall look and feel of your shop. That's all there is to it. With just a few simple steps, you've successfully changed your Etsy store banner. Keep in mind that updating your banner periodically can keep your shop looking fresh and relevant. Thanks for watching and be sure to subscribe for more helpful Etsy tips and tricks.